China blocks ByteDance from using Nvidia chips, a new front in the tech Cold War. In a move signaling growing tensions in global tech competition, Chinese regulators have blocked ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, from using Nvidia chips in its latest AI data centers. This decision reflects Beijing's increasing push for technological self-reliance and its concerns about overdependence on foreign-made semiconductors, particularly from the US. Why the ban? ByteDance, like many major tech firms, relies heavily on Nvidia's powerful GPUs for training and running artificial intelligence models. However, with rising geopolitical friction and the US imposing export controls on high-end AI chips to China, Beijing is now tightening control over where and how American tech is deployed domestically. According to reports, Chinese regulators are enforcing a broader domestic-first strategy, pressuring companies to source from local chip manufacturers like Huawei, SMIC, and others. This move comes as part of China's long-term goal of tech independence by reducing reliance on US technologies, especially in critical sectors like AI. This ban is not just about chips, it's about control, independence, and the future of AI power in the global economy.
China can't manufacture. If there's one thing they could do is manufacture. Don't forget that China has some of the best entrepreneurs in the world because they came from some of the best STEM schools in the world. They're the most hungry in the world. 996, as you know. This is a very...
Producing the most AI engineers in the world.
996, so the audience knows, 9 in the morning to 9 at night, 6 days a week. That is their culture, okay? We're up against a formidable, innovative, hungry, fast-moving, under-regulated. Okay? People don't realize this. They are very lightly regulated.
Right. Less regulated, ironically, than we are in a capitalist system.
That's right. People think that they're centrally governed, but remember, the genius of China was distributed economic systems. And so all of these 33 provinces and all the mayor economy has driven enormous amount of internal competition, internal economic vibrancy, which of course has some of its side effects, but this is a vibrant, entrepreneurial, high-tech, modern industry. And some of the things I heard, they could never build AI chips. That just sounded insane. 2, that China can't manufacture. China can't manufacture? If there's one thing they could do is manufacture. 3, they're years behind us. Is it 2 years, 3 years? Come on, they're nanoseconds behind us.
Nanoseconds.
Yeah, they're nanoseconds behind us. And so we've got to go compete. We've got to go compete. And so the question then becomes, what's in the best interest of China, of course, is that they have a vibrant industry. They also publicly say, and rightfully, I believe they believe this, is that they want China to be an open market. They want to attract foreign investment. They want companies to come to China and compete in the marketplace. And I believe that I hope that we'll return to that in our context, answering your question, what do I see in the future? I do hope, because their leaders say it, and I take it at face value, and I believe it because I think it makes sense for China, that what's in the best interest of China is for foreign companies to invest in China, compete in China, and for them to also have vibrant competition themselves. And they would also like to come out of China and participate around the world. That is, I think, is a fairly sensible outcome. And what we need to do as a country is to enable our technology industry, which today is I'm privileged to be working in an industry that is our national treasure. We have to acknowledge it is our national treasure. It is our best industry. It is our single best industry. Why would we not allow this industry to go compete for its survival?